A gentle tour of the cosmos. Stephen Hawking invites us on a journey to explore the biggest, most mind-bending questions about the universe we live in. He takes us by the hand and shows us how our understanding of space, time, and everything in between has changed over centuries. The book starts right at the beginning, with the incredible moment of the Big Bang, where the universe exploded into existence from a single point. Hawking also introduces us to the idea of an ever-expanding universe, showing us that the space between galaxies is constantly getting bigger. He gently explains the powerful pull of gravity and introduces us to the mysterious black holes, which are so dense and powerful that nothing can escape them. We learn about the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, where tiny particles act in ways that defy our normal understanding of reality. Hawking also helps us think about the nature of time itself, questioning if it's a straight line or something far more complex. He shares the quest for a theory of everything, which would unite all the fundamental forces of the universe into one elegant set of laws. The book is a beautiful reminder of human curiosity and our deep desire to find our place in the vastness of the cosmos. It makes us feel like we're a part of a much larger, ongoing story of discovery. Hawking's writing is incredibly accessible, making a very difficult subject feel like a personal conversation with a wise friend. He shows us that even if we aren't scientists, we can still appreciate and understand the universe's biggest mysteries. The book leaves us with a sense of wonder, making us look at the stars in a new, more thoughtful way. It encourages us to keep asking questions and to never stop being curious about the world around us. Hawking reminds us that the universe is not just a place of equations, but a place of incredible beauty and wonder. He makes the seemingly impossible concepts feel approachable and easy to grasp. It is a book that truly expands your mind in the most gentle and inspiring way. The narrative flows smoothly, keeping us engaged from the first page to the last. It's a testament to how human intellect can make sense of the cosmos. Hawking's final thoughts on the universe's origin and destiny are both profound and hopeful. He reminds us that the journey to understanding is just as important as the destination. This is a book that feels like a gift, opening up the secrets of the cosmos to everyone. It leaves a lasting impression and a desire to learn more. Hawking's passion for the subject shines through, making it a joy to read. The book is a comforting and wonderful read that helps us feel connected to the universe. He shows that even the biggest questions are worth asking. This book is a guide to help us find our own place in the grand story of existence.